Hey there, welcome to another video on Shopify function and Shopify discount tips and tricks. In this video series, I will show you how you can bypass some of the limitations that Shopify has on discount. So in this video, I'll show you how you can exclude certain product from applying order discount. By default, whenever you create an order discount in Shopify, for example, if I go to the order discount, there is no way to exclude certain product and it is going to apply to all product. So in this video, I'll show you how you can achieve that. Sometimes you have a gift card yet that you don't want to apply the discount on those gift cards, or you have a product which is already discounted and you don't want to apply that. So how do you do that? Shopify natively will not allow you to do this. That's why you have to install an app. At the time of recording this video, you can use this app for free. It's called PowerX Function Creator. All you have to do is install this. I already have it in this store. This is a development store. Let's create an order discount and see how we can achieve this. In the UI, I already have some functions here. So if you don't have, you will see an empty table. I will create a new function and call order discount. Let's create an order discount function. In here, let's just give it a simple name of order discount. In here, you can create campaigns. Campaigns are what you are going to apply the discount. You can create as many campaigns as you have here. Each campaign will have its own condition. So I'll create a campaign here, and for this campaign, I will call it conditional discount. And I will call it 20%, or let's call it 20% site-wide. Let's say this is a site-wide discount, but I don't want this 20% to apply on certain product. Let's see, like if you have a gift card, you don't want to have like 20%. User can buy the gift card and go and redeem for another extra 20%. That is like a lot of discount. Now, if you scroll down at the bottom, this is where you specify how much discount you want to apply. And this is where you specify which product you want this to apply. Now, you see the Shopify one does not have any discount eligible product. In here, you can select product by collection, by ID, collection, product type, variant title. That's important. I have another video how important the variant title is for some of the large inventory products. But for now, let's come down. This is where you will exclude product. So I am going to exclude certain product. Let's see how it goes. I will exclude this product. It is called acne control. This is just development product I normally work with. Let's see how it goes. I save this. By the way, this is automatic discount and it should apply to all products. If I go to my storefront, this is the product that I excluded that. Let's add this product to the cart and see if the discount is applying. You can see 20% discount is applied in my product and the total saving is $7.80. Now, let's add this product, which I excluded. If I add this to the cart, my discount is still the same and this one did not get the discount. If I go to checkout, since order discount is always applying at the bottom, it is not applying in the product and the line item level. You can see that this 20% discount only apply to this product, not to that product. Now, to make this, like to prove that this is working, all I have to do is come here and set it to none. I will save this. Let's go to the checkout and refresh our checkout. When I refresh this, you can see that amount increased. Now it applied to both product. That is how easy to exclude certain product from order discount. I hope this video has been informative. If you have any question related to discount and how you can achieve certain functionality, you can comment below this video. I will make more videos on how to achieve this. Thank you.